How to update Xhorse mini OBD with Xhorse kit. Okay. Connect your Xhorse mini OBD with laptop, and after that start upgrade kit, and after that you need to find device. If you find device, you will get serial number and firmware. After that click on upgrade button. Here you can see, and after upgrade button you can see here the descriptions and things, and the light is now red. It means almost done. When it will done, it will show OK button here, and your firmware will be show here 1.33, and after update you can see 1.50. okay. If you need any help, you can WhatsApp us. In description our WhatsApp number is given. Okay. See. There are 3 files. Now upgrading file 2. After that this complete, it will automatically upgrade file 3, and when it's upgrade, it's blinking, continuous blinking blue light. Okay, do not disconnect your hardware with laptop. Okay, from laptop. If you disconnect it, then device may be corrupt or it will create problem. After upgrade complete, you can see here a message upgrade completed, and now it's still so 1.3.3, then and here red light. So after that you need to click on OK button, and again find device. Here it will read device serial number and firmware version. And we have Xhorse products. You can contact us. We give best price. Now here you can see the firmware version, and the firmware is latest. Okay, see you in next video.